Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Rakesh Kuswaha Tech Guide. In this video we will learn concept of Cisco ASA Firewall, interface configuration, routing configuration. We will learn what is security level, how security level works, how to configure security level for zone. So friends, Cisco ASA is a zone based firewall. Its work based on security level. Let me tell you about security level. Security level defines on zone, trusted zone, non-trusted zone. Security level is a number 0 to 100 which is defined on zone. For untrusted zone, security level define 0. Security level define 0 to lowest trusted network or untrusted network. And security level 100 is a highest security level. So it's defined on highest trusted network. You can see this is my outside zone, internet zone, and untrusted network, non-trusted network. So not for non-trusted network, we have defined outside zone and security level 0. And this is my inside LAN segment. LAN segment is my trusted. This is my trusted zone. Trusted zone and security level 100. 100 is highest security level. Here DMZ is my semi-trusted zone. So I have defined security level 50. So let's see how security level works. Why required security level in ASA firewall? So let's see what is the role of security level in ASA. As you can see here, highest security level to lowest security level traffic is allowed, and lowest security level to highest security level traffic will be denied. So lowest highest security level to lowest security level traffic is allowed, but from lowest security level to highest security level traffic will be denied. So from inside to DMZ traffic will allow, inside to outside traffic will allow, DMZ to outside traffic will allow, but from outside to DMZ traffic will not allow. Outside to inside traffic will not allow. DMZ DMZ to inside traffic will not allow, because by default highest security level to lowest security level traffic will be allowed, and lowest security level to highest security level traffic will deny. If you define interface for inside zone, by default security level will be 100. Apart from inside, security level will be 0. You can manual define security level under interface. So let's see. So we'll see in configuration how to define security level. Here you can see same security level. By default traffic will not allow. Suppose security level 50 and security level 50. Here traffic will not allow. So later we'll see how to allow this traffic. This is my topology. This is ASA firewall. Inside my inside zone, outside zone, and this is DMZ zone. For inside zone, my network will be firewall interface IP will be 10.1, G0 by 0 by inside, and G0 by 1 for DMZ, G0 by 2 for outside network. This is loopback behind of R2 router. This is loopback behind of R1 router for ISP, internet, outside network. This is my Cisco ASA Firewall. Just enable. There is no password. Just press enter, and will now you will be on privilege mode. First of all, let me show its hardware. So version. You can see version of ASA Firewall 9.8.4 and device manager version 7.8. File name of ASA iOS. Config boot was uptime is 58 minutes 21 second. Hardware is 2 GB RAM. Flash memory 8 GB. So this is my management interface 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is interface and MAC address. So this is a feature of ASA. This ASA maximum VLAN we can create 50 inside host unlimited. Active standby feature enabled. Encryption enabled 3D SIS. Cannot create security contracts because of license. Required license for security contracts. VPN peer can be 250 here. So some feature is not enabled here. There is a command reference comparison to router. So in ASA command is show interface IP brief. Here we will configure gigabit 0 by 0 for our inside network and gigabit 0 by 1 for our DMZ network, gigabit 0 by 2 for our outside network, internet zone network. Let me show you what task we will achieve today. Today we will make reachability our LAN segment from our LAN segment to this IP loop internet IP and make reachability from inside segment to DMZ network this loopback IP. We will do telnet from outside to inside and also we will make reachability from here to here. So let's start configuration here. I have already configured a router, IP zone router, IP zone auto router, IP zone PC. Already I have configured it. So let's start configuration of ASA firewall. First go to config mode, interface G0 by 0, name it inside, name it inside. You can see here security level for inside set to 100 by default. So for inside network security level is 100 by default. So no need to assign security level for inside zone. Provide the IP address 160 122.16.10.1 net mask and no shut. Inside interface configuration done. Now we have to configure DMZ, name it DMZ. Now you can see security level for DMZ set to 0 by default. Apart from inside, if here is anything, any task, IP address will be 20.20.20.12 terminal mask 20 no shut. Now for outside network interface G0 by 2 This will be my outside network. Outside name it outside. Security level will be 0 by default, so no need to change. For outside untrusted network, this is my untrusted network, so security level is 0, so no need to change. And IP address will be 4.2.2.12 255.255 net mask 0, no such. So just runs. So one thing is also in router, in config mode, to run show command we need to do so run, but here do command, here you can see do command is not supported by ASA, so you can run direct. So run now, run command show interface IP brief. Now check the reachability for inside network, inside IP, LAN IP 172.16.10.10 host PC. For outside, check the reachability for outside next hop pinging. For DMZ next hop pinging. Okay, right. Now we have to configure route for this network. For outside network, we have to configure default route. So let's configure default route for outside network. Route outside default, for default 0 IP address can be 0, subnet mask 0.0, and next hop IP address will be 4.2.2.1. Now we have to configure static route for DMZ zone for this LAN subnet. Next hop will be 20.1 route DMZ subnet is 1.0 0. Next hop will be 20.20.20.1. Now check the route. So for outside network, default route directly connected, static route for DMZ LAN segment. Now check the reachability of ISP 8.8.8 route has been configured. Now we are able to ping. Now check the reachability for subnet 172.16.1.1. Able to ping, because means we have successfully configured interface and routing on ASA Firewall. Now we have to check end-to-end connectivity. Now we have to check connectivity from this PC to ISP router on loopback. So just try to ping 8.8.8.8. It's not pinging. So dear friends, it's not getting ping. Do you know why? Just think about it. I will tell you later. First, check the connectivity from router 2 to router 1 subnet. Ping 8.8.8. Ping is not working. So let's check telnet 8.8.8.8. Telnet is working. You can see telnet is working. So do you know why Telnet is working and ISMP is not working? Because ASA Firewall does not inspect ISMP traffic by default. Friends, I am repeating again. ASA Firewall does not inspect ISMP traffic by default. So what we have to do to inspect ISMP traffic, we have to run command fixup protocol ICMP. After run this command, see the ping status. I'm just pressing enter. You can see here. So by default, ASA firewall does not inspect ISMP traffic. You have to manually inspect ISMP traffic on ASA firewall. We have successfully configured firewall make reachability from outside to inside. So let's check connectivity from outside to inside. So let's try to ping LAN IP 172.16.10.10. You can see by default traffic will not allow from lowest security level to highest security level. From outside zone to inside, by default traffic will not allow because outside security level is 0, inside security level is 100. Lowest security level to highest security level, traffic will not allow. If you try to access, even if you try to access from outside to DMZ, and traffic will not allow. You can see. Let me show you. DMZ segment 172.16.1.1. Inside to DMZ 172.16.1.1. Now start pinging. Traffic allow from highest security level to lowest security level. Traffic is allow. Lowest security level to highest security level. Traffic is deny. Run command. Let's check debug ISMP trace. When you ping from inside to DMZ, let's see. And access ping from DMZ to outside network. You can see echo reply, echo request. So let's check another things. Let's see just telnet 8.8.8 is working. Enable Cisco. Just check so connection. Here you can see connection established from this source IP, source port and destination IP, destination port. Connection established from DMZ to outside. You can see connection here. And flags here UI. What means UI? U stand for up, I inbound and outbound. I inbound, O outbound. This is a flag. And just run exit from here and check the connection. Connection closed. Zero use, no connection. So friends, in this video we have learned basic concept of Cisco ASA Firewall. What is security level, how to configure interface, configure route on firewall. So friends, here we have learned Cisco ASA Firewall concept, how to work, how does Cisco Firewall work, and what is the concept of security level zones, how it's work. So friends, in next video we will learn configure exit list and allow traffic from how to allow traffic from outside to inside and outside to DMZ, lowest security to highest security level through ACL. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.